Most people spend 40 years working to earn money and never spend a single hour learning how to make money work for them. These 5 habits will change that.
Here's the truth. Most people aren't broke because they don't work hard enough. They're broke because nobody ever taught them how money actually works. Living paycheck to paycheck, not saving enough, investing in the wrong things, or not investing at all. Does that sound familiar? Well, it doesn't have to stay that way. Building wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about what you do with what you have. Today, I'm giving you 5 concrete habits you can start this week. Make sure you stay for number 5. It's the one most people skip, and it might be the most important thing I share in this explainer.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap. We'll cover how to automate before spending, the 3-bucket rule, killing high-interest debt, using tax-advantaged accounts, and finally, building a second income stream. Building wealth is a structured process.
Hack number 1. Automate before spending.
This is the simplest yet absolutely most powerful thing you can do with your money. The moment money hits your account, whether it's a paycheck, a transfer, anything at all, before you buy a single thing, you must set up an automatic transfer, a fixed amount sent straight to your savings or investment account. I don't care if it starts at just $50. The habit is what matters. Because here's what most people do. They spend first and save whatever is left over. Trust me, there's never anything left. The money that stays in your checking account, that is what you will spend. Every time. So automate the saving. Spend what is left, not the other way around.
Hack number 2, the 3-bucket rule.
And this brilliantly illustrates the 50-30-20 system. It's designed to completely eliminate that terrible feeling of wondering where all your money went. 50% of your income goes to needs: rent, food, transport, the absolute non-negotiables. 30% goes to wants: subscriptions, going out, whatever keeps you sane. And 20% goes straight to savings and paying off debt. That is it. When you have a system this simple, you stop guessing. The money left in your checking account after that 20% is transferred out, that is what you actually have to live on, not a single cent more.
We've reached the halfway point. And listen closely here. Those first 2 habits alone, if you implement them starting this week, will fundamentally change your financial life. But the next 3 habits, that is where it really gets interesting.
Hack number 3, kill high-interest debt.
You need to kill the debt that is killing your wealth. You have to focus every extra dollar on your highest interest debt first. Credit card debt at 20% interest, that is the absolute most expensive thing you own. Every single month you carry that balance, you are quite literally paying to stay broke. You simply cannot build wealth while you are bleeding at this rate. It is mathematically impossible.
Hack number 4, use tax-advantaged accounts.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the contrast between money working for the government and money working for you. Wherever you live, there is almost certainly a tax-advantaged account you're probably not using: a 401k or Roth IRA in the US, an ISA in the UK, a pension account in Europe. These accounts let your investments grow without taxes eating into them year after year. And here's the most crucial part. If your employer matches your contributions, you must take it. That is 100% return on day one. It is free money. There is no smarter investment on the planet than that. If you're not using one of these accounts right now, make that the very first thing you fix after this explainer.
Hack number 5, build a second income stream. Relying on a single income stream is risky. If that disappears tomorrow, what happens? The goal isn't to replace your income overnight. It's to start building a second stream now while you still have time and low overhead. A side hustle, dividend-paying stocks, a small online business. Start small and stay consistent.
Let's move to and see how this builds over time. Here is the compounding truth. If you automate a steady $500 a month into an investment account at an average annual return of 7%, in 20 years, the compounding thoroughly accelerates into massive wealth accumulation.
That becomes over $250,000. That is from one habit. That's an insane return on just changing your routine.
5 habits. That is all this is. Automate before you spend. Use the 3-bucket rule. Kill high-interest debt. Use a tax-advantaged account. And start building that second income stream.
So pick one. Start this week. Just one. Tell me in the comments, which one are you starting with? I read every single one. See you in the next explainer.